Good evening, students. In last class, you have studied about volcanoes and earthquake. So today we are going to study on the topic tsunami. Let's start with the word meaning of tsunami. The word derived from Japanese. Su means harbor and nami means waves. Therefore, tsunami is termed as harbor waves. Let's see what is tsunami. Seismic waves originating due to earthquakes, volcanic eruptions in the ocean floor, which generates huge sea waves rising to several meters. Such huge sea waves are called tsunami. Students, let's see a video on tsunami. Okay students, you have seen the video of tsunami. Did you know how it has happened? Let's see what are the causes of tsunami. Tsunami is caused by earthquakes and volcanic eruptions on the ocean floor. When it occurs on the ocean floor gets displaced and cause extreme tension in the water. The water is pushed upwards by the pressure, but the gravity tries to pull it down. So, this causes an upsurge of the sea water and cause tsunami. Okay students, now let's see why tsunami is so destructive. The tsunami waves are very quick. The speed of the waves will be around 50 to 60 kilometers per hour. It affects disasters in coastal regions. The disaster can be extends more than 1 kilometer from the coast. Height of the waves at the coastal region can goes up to 50 to 70 feet. It causes destruction to life and damages to the properties. Did you know? Kerala coast was also affected by tsunami on 26th December 2004. This tsunami, which destructed India and Sri Lanka, was caused by the intense earthquake waves originated from Sumatra in Indian Ocean. Nowadays, tsunami warning systems are widely operating in our world. Mainly, this system aims to identify the areas prone to the tsunami and also extend warning to the coastal areas so as to prevent loss of life. So, here are some tsunami monitoring system. First one, NOAA. NOAA means National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration. Second one, DART. DART means Deep Ocean Assessment and Reporting of Tsunami. Third one, Satellite Communication Systems. Let's see what are the mitigations of tsunami. When tsunami occurs, move towards high grounds. Take official warnings very seriously. Don't arrive at the self-conclusion that danger situation is over. Wait for the official declaration. Once if we trapped in tsunami wave, try to escape by hold any floating materials. Okay students, let's summarize today's topic. Tsunami, the Japanese word which means harbor waves. Tsunami occurs due to earthquakes and volcanic eruptions on the ocean floor. Kerala coast affects tsunami on 26 December 2004. Earthquake at Sumatra made devastating tsunami to India and Sri Lanka in 2004. Tsunami monitoring system like NOAA, DART, satellite communications were used. At last we have discussed mitigations for tsunami. Okay students, hope you that you have understood on the topic tsunami. Read your text thoroughly, and if you have any doubt, you can ask. So be happy and safe at your home. See you in the next class. Thank you.